so welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on how you can become cabin crew, or what all things you need to become a cabin crew. So I'm going to make this video into two parts because I don't want to make the video too long. So yeah, so it will be in two parts. So today is the first part, and second part I'll try to upload as soon as possible. So before starting the video, I would like to say that if you want me to make such contents more, then please subscribe to the channel and like, share, and yes, support. So let's start the video. So first thing what you need is your age. Your minimum age should be 18 years, and for international cabin crew your minimum age should be 21 years. Then comes your qualification. Your qualification should be minimum 12th, and then comes your height and weight. Your height should be minimum for female 5.2 inches, and it depends again airline to airline. So when you apply, you can read the criteria of the height requirement of the airline, but mostly it is 5.2 inches. And your weight should be according to your height. Like your BMI should not be like more than 22, and underweight still sometimes the airline considers, they do give time, but if you are too overweight or too underweight, then also it can be a difficult. Then comes your language. You must be fluent in English. Fluent as in you don't really have to have an accent, or you don't really have to be a really pro at English, but the basic English, what the other person is talking or what the other person is trying to tell you, should be able to understand. And same, if you have something to tell, you should be able to convey your message to the other person. That's the main requirement. So basic English knowledge is very important. If you are applying for Indian Airlines, then of course you must know Hindi as well. Both the languages are very important. Then after this, I think I have covered almost everything. So yeah, about the pimple marks and the scars and other stuff. So let me show you. I have one scar over here, and as you can see, I have lot of I haven't done the makeup today, so you can see a lot of pimple marks and all these things. That is totally fine, things which you can cover with the makeup. That's okay, you don't really have to care about it. You just, I would suggest, go for the interview. Don't listen to somebody who is trying to, somebody who is already flying, somebody already is a cabin crew, and they are telling you, you shouldn't have the scar, or you shouldn't have the marks, you should be really fair, or you should be very model like, and this and that. Don't listen to them. They just don't want you to be there where they are. Okay, don't think that you have to be very, very, very perfect to become a cabin crew. No, I would say just go for the interview. Give as many as interviews you can, because that is going to help you to learn more about it and to know where you are lacking, so that you can work on it. So yeah, I think I have covered almost everything, all the requirements, and how you can apply for it, how you can apply for the interviews and all. I'm going to make the another video, so stay tuned. And if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who wants to become a cabin crew, and they think that they can't because of the scar or because of the communication and this and that. So this might help them as well to build their confidence, and be confident and keep trying. Bye bye.